Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northwest Cape Coral, and if you're looking for a home, this is it, okay? This home offers everything you're looking for, okay? It is beautiful, okay? This home, let me tell you a little bit about it, has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a beautiful pool with an outdoor kitchen, this side-load garage over here, and inside he has a little bit of everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful home. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you, it's a no flood zone, so insurance is optional. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful home. So you come in, you're welcome with this stunning living room with your nice fireplace. Check out those nice tiles. Beautiful home. Let me stand over here in the corner so that you can visualize this beautiful living room. Check out the nice high ceiling with a beautiful fan, LED lights. Now let's move over to the kitchen. Do you like this kitchen? Check this kitchen out. Look how big it is, okay? Has a plenty of counter space. Also, you have this a waterfall island. Actually, you can see it sits 4. Very nice and elegant. These European cabinets are really, really nice. Okay, then back there you have your dining room. Okay, check out the nice dining room with 2 nice windows that offer a lot of brightness inside, and it has a beautiful view of the pool, but we'll get to that later. Okay, let me stand on this side here so you can visualize better the area here. A dining room there. Over here the owner has some kind of like a bar there. Then you have a hallway that leads to a bedroom back there, so we'll get to that. Let me finish going over the kitchen here a little bit. Check this out. And you got your washer and dryer over there. Let's first do the washer and dryer, the garage, and then we'll move up to the bedrooms and the master bedroom. Okay, so now let's take a look over here. This is the pantry. So you have a nice pantry up here. Here's your washer and dryer. Nice sink. And now over here you got your double car garage with has 2 glass windows over there, so you get a lot of brightness in here. You see the floor is finished. You have a nice door that leads outside on the side right there. That's really good to have, so when you take the trash out, you go out right out that door and you don't have to go through the house. Okay, let's keep rolling. Okay, I forgot to tell you, back here you have another closet, so you can put your laundry supplies in there. And now let's go ahead and maybe just take a look at the bedroom number 1 over here. Oops, this one's not being used, so I'm going to turn on the lights. You can see the bedrooms has a very nice size. It comes with their fan and nice curtains. These curtains are all throughout the house. So let me open it up so you see how they work. You just open it just a little bit and you got enough to give you privacy and light. So it's nice to have, and they're all throughout the house. Check out the nice size of the room. You have your closet over here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom number 1. Okay, here you got your nice sink. Go up so you can see the light. Here's your shower with your tub. I really like the end product of this home. Check out the nice, combinations of the tile. Very nice. And it goes, you got that window there, it goes all the way up. Okay, now we're gonna hear bedroom number 2. As you can see, similar size than the other one. They have really nice sized room. And then you're upstairs, you got your fan, your window, stand over here in the corner, and you got your closet right there. Okay, let's keep going. Let's take one more look from this corner here. What I like about this home is how bright it is. Over here, you have a door that leads out to the pool. You adjust the lens here so you can see the pool. Okay, so this door leads out to the pool because you also have a bath right here. So this could be like your pool bath. So it's a nice shower. Similar concept that the other bathroom with a nice design on the tiles. And your glass window there. You got your rain shower. And check out the nice cabinet, vanity. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this home offers a lot of things that you might be looking for. So this might be the home that you really like. And location-wise, it's in a very nice location, very nice centralized area close to shopping and restaurants and supermarkets. So. Okay, this is room number 3. As you can see, all the rooms are very nice size. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. Another look at the living room. Check out the entrance door. It's very classy. Okay, now let me turn around here so you can get a beautiful view of the pool here. That's where we're heading later. Wait until you see the outdoor kitchen. Okay, now we're coming into the master bedroom. Very nice size. Let me give you another look from this angle. You have a nice window there that brings a lot of brightness inside. And most likely your TV will go on that wall there. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the closets. This is closet number 1. As you can see, has a lot of space. Okay, now let's go ahead to closet number 2. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, but you still have a lot of nice shelves. Now let's go to the master bathroom. This shower, look at this. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Nice size, you don't feel claustrophobic in here. Your nice rain pan, shower head. Your handheld shower there, and you got 2 of them, one on each side. So you have that one there, and you have the other one over here. So 2 of you can take a shower at the same time. And also you have them 2 nice windows that bring a lot of brightness inside. Over here, you got your toilet closet. And now let's take another look of the vanity here. Check out the faucets, how nice they are. Let's open it up. Actually, they turn off the water. Very nice. Okay, remember, if you would like to know the price on this property, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen or go on the description below. If you're on desktop or mobile, go on the description below and click on the link. It's that easy. Okay, now we're gonna go outside and take a look at the beautiful outdoor kitchen and pool area. Okay, let me adjust my camera here a second, and we're out. Okay, check out how much space you got here. Sorry about that alarm. Okay, I got it. Check how much space you have out here. Okay, plenty of space. You have they actually have a TV mount there. I don't know if you can keep the TV, but at least you have a mount there to hook up your TV, because this is what Florida's lifestyle is all about. Okay, you have your nice outdoor area to sit down and relax next to the beautiful, calm waters of the pool. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen here, outdoor kitchen. Well, this one doesn't bring you a barbecue. It brings you a stove. Okay, you got 2 burners, plus you got your refrigerator. Things closed. For some reason, I think it's locked. And over here you have a sink in a very nice way that they set it up here. So you have a lot of space on the top of the shelves to put all your kitchen stuff. I mean, you could actually cook out here. So that's really nice. During this winter months, you could go out here, you're cooking, and at the same time, you're enjoying this beautiful pool. Okay? Now let's take a look at the lot itself. Okay? Got 1, 2, 3, 4 palm trees going up. Believe me, with time, they go up pretty fast. And over here, you have very good space between the houses. So if you have a boat or a trailer, you could bring it in here. And you have fenced backyard all throughout. The home itself, if you see, is all tile roof. It looks very good. And check out this pool. Let's go ahead and do a walk around here. Today the temperature is awesome. It's 72 degrees, a little breezy, but it's nice. So we had a beautiful week this week. Check that out. Wouldn't you like to be there? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look from this other corner. There you got your pool equipment, and you have a pool heater. And a nice thing that they did is that, remember that door I showed you from inside the garage? They actually did a walkway that leads you outside. Okay, so you can actually come out the door, open the handle there, and you're outside. And they have a nice walkway. So details like this is what really makes a really nice home. Check out the outside with all those windows. This home is very well taken care of. So, and you have a shed here, so you can put all your pool equipment, your lawn equipment in there. Oh, forgot to show you the shower. Have a nice shower before you get in the pool. And now let's go back to this look here, okay? If you're new to the channel and you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to hit the subscribe button. And if you're a regular viewer, please hit the like button. That will really help me a lot in promoting my videos to more people. I'm really trying to get a goal for this month to see how many likes. I've been getting a lot, so I thank you guys for it. But every time you see one of my videos, hit the like button just to help me out, okay? And also, I'm gonna be giving you new stuff now. I'm gonna be doing neighborhood tours again, so you guys can see what neighborhoods look like around Cape Coral. And I'm gonna be putting the price, so the areas that I drive through, I'm gonna be putting the prices in the barcode and in the description below, so that way you get an idea of the value of those the areas that I'm going, the neighborhoods that I'm going. So that's something I did previous years, and it did work really good. So I hope you guys like it. Please comment if you like it or not. Also, I'm gonna be putting all my playlists of active open house tours that I do. I'm gonna be putting a playlist also in the description below. I might put it also in a barcode during the video so you can see my active playlist. And also I'm gonna be doing a website to post all those open houses that I go and do during the week that I have. You know, I go visit different open houses. What I'm doing is I'm trying to do the driving for you guys. I go visit different companies' open houses and I film them for you, and you can watch them all from the comfort of your home. Okay, so I'm gonna be having it's called the link. If you want to go right now, you can see it goes directly to the YouTube playlist, but later on I'm gonna add a web page to it. So give me some time. But right now, if you go to 239openhouse.com, 239openhouse.com, you will go into a playlist of open houses that I have done, that they're all active. Okay, if you find one that is not active for some reason, I try to check every week, but if you find one, please comment below so I could take it out. Okay, so those are the new things that are coming up. And tell me what you think about this beautiful home. Check out the weather today. Check out the sky. Isn't this nice? Okay, tell me what you think about this home. And remember this, if you're looking for a home here in the Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, my wife and I have been selling real estate for over 20 years, and we would love to help you out like we have helped a lot of our subscribers. So hope you enjoy this video, and see you on the next one.